Hey, welcome to another episode of Sip and App. I know it's not October, but do we ever need a reason to make delicious homemade soft pretzels? I think not. So join me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to make the easiest and tastiest soft pretzels from scratch. Come on in. My recipe starts with browning the butter, which is a rather unusual ingredient, but this one extra step really does add a depth of flavor. So go ahead and heat the butter in a small pan over low heat until the milk solids turn dark amber color. Let the butter cool completely before adding it to the rest of the dough ingredients. Now, most bakers will tell you to activate the yeast first, but I've never had a problem by mixing in the yeast directly, as long as it hasn't passed the expiration date. So I'm just dumping everything in the bowl as usual. Using a stand mixer or by hand, knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Now cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and let the dough rise in a warm place for about an hour or until doubled in size. Next, divide the risen dough into 12 to 15 equal portions. This recipe should make 15 mini pretzels at 30 grams each. Roll each portion into a ball and rest them under a clean kitchen towel for about 10 minutes. Now on to shaping the pretzels. There are several ways of doing this, but this is how I do it. I first flatten the ball, then make a little log by doing a few tucking and pinching, as you can see here. Then roll it into a rope about 15 inches long, gently putting pressure from the center to the edges, tapering each end slightly. Finally, I make a U shape and twist the ends twice before bringing them over to the bottom of the U. This may take some practice, so be patient and keep trying. Once you have all of the pretzels formed, rest them under a plastic wrap for 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the water bath by bringing water and baking soda to a boil in a large pot. This would also be a good time to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Now dip the pretzels by carefully placing each one into the simmering water bath for about 30 seconds. Flipping once halfway through, then removing them with a slotted spoon and placing them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Optionally, brush the pretzels with beaten egg for a shiny finish before making a little slit at the thickest part of the pretzel with a very sharp knife. And for the final touch, sprinkle them with coarse or rock salt. Bake the pretzels in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Now look at how beautiful they are. Don't you want to just sink your teeth into them right now? Don't worry, I'll do a little taste test for you. You have to make them today. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Until next time, cheers!